Hey guys, Dylan DeFazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and in this video training I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up our copy and paste sales funnel. Now, a lot of people are forgetting this step, and this is very crucial if you guys actually want to make money. Now, if you guys remember in the previous video, we actually sent people, let me just open it up here, we're sending people to this page. Now, this is my opt-in page for the Press One Cash success system. Now, below this video there's going to be a button. Now, that button is going to take you to the Press One Cash success system setup page. Now, you want to go through all 4 steps, and I'm going to briefly go over them right now in this video so that you guys know exactly what you need to do to get set up. Now, if you're not set up to the Press One Cash system already, in step number 1, Frank's actually going to go through, there's 2 different videos. He's going to go through and he's going to give you guys some more information about Press One Cash. And if you guys want to join, you can simply click the button and you can click and join through, click on join now and set up your Press One Cash account. Okay, now once you've gotten that set up, what you want to do is you want to continue on to step number 2. Now, step number 2 is where you're going to get your exact system set up. Okay, so leveraging Power Lead System, right? Power Lead System is a landing page builder, right? Landing page and website builder. This is what we use to create these sales funnels on. Okay, this training right here is going to show you how to set that system up. So you're going to get 9 different landing pages that are similar to this. You're going to get this entire, you're going to get this training sequence. You're going to get this training sequence. You're going to get everything. And all you have to do is follow 2 very simple videos and plug in this code. It's very, very easy. Now, once you've got your system set up, in step number 3, Frank's going to walk you through how to get traffic. Okay. Now, one thing that I can tell you is inside of our Facebook group, we have tons of different income proof and stuff like that that you guys can leverage to post on your wall. Okay, you can go through, you can copy this image, you can post it onto your wall, right? And you can leverage team success to make your first couple commissions, and then you can actually go through and start leveraging your own success. But we have these income proof so you guys can go out there, and none of them are branded. Okay, they're all free to use. Everybody can go out there and use these and post them, right? And it's very, very simple, right? As you guys see here, I'm just going to scroll down. When I first was getting started, I was using the copy and paste post, right? This is one of Frank's income proof, and I was promoting my number, right? So it's a very simple copy and paste formula. And the number, right, the number in my Press One Cash redirects people back to this page where they can actually go through. They'll land on this video here. They'll get more information, and then they can get set up. Now, once they've gone through, we're in the traffic. So the solo ad traffic is going to allow you to get eyeballs onto this page, right, within 24 hours. So you can actually go out there. You can purchase 100, 200, 300 clicks, however many you want, and you can send them right to this system, and they're already qualified buyers. They're already people that are interested in making money online. So Frank's going to show you guys how to get traffic. And then in step number 4, this is a very crucial step as well. So you have your Hangout page, right? This is a Hangout page where Frank goes live every single day. Now, inside of Power Lead System, to set this Hangout page up, it's very, very simple. Okay, so I'm just going to log into Power Lead System here. We're going to go under Websites, and I'm going to go under Manage Subdomains. Okay, now we're just going to, let's do Six Figure Success System, and we'll go Daily Live. All right, so we're going to create, and we're going to click this here. Okay, so Daily Live Six Figure Success System. Now, if this doesn't make any sense, don't worry. Once you have your Frank Calabro Jr. system set up, this will all make sense and you will understand this, and you can come back and set up your live training. But check out how simple this is. Okay, so press 1, team live webinar. We'll go right there. Scroll to the bottom, save my choice, copy link address, done. So now if I paste this link in, boom. Okay, so it was that quick for me to set up a page where now every time Frank goes live, I can send my prospects to this page. Frank can do all the selling and telling for me, and I can earn those commissions when they click on yes, enroll now. Okay, so that's why we use Power Lead System. It makes it very, very simple to copy our stuff. Okay, you can copy pages. Everything I make on Power Lead System so that everybody can copy it. All right, important, creating Gmail canned responses. This is a great video. When you get somebody through into the Press 1 cache and they become a member like this, what you actually want to be doing is you want to be downloading this CSV and you want to be sending them emails. Now you can actually leverage this page, right? This is where I send people. So if you guys want to set this page up, you guys can get in contact with me and I'll teach you guys how to set this and copy this page. But this page is where I send people that have created a Press 1 cache account, but they haven't actually upgraded yet. That's where I'm going to be sending people. So I'm going to be giving you guys that, and using the canned response method, this is going to increase the amount of people that actually upgrade. Now Frank's also going to show you guys how to create trackable links, so when you guys are buying solo ad traffic, you can actually see which vendors are converting and which vendors are not converting. Alright, so that is a pretty cool training as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's not going to be too long. I just wanted to go over that with you guys so that you guys understand that you guys should be setting the system up and leveraging it to automate your business. So you don't have to go out there pitching and closing people. You can just simply drive traffic to this funnel, and this funnel will make you commissions. Alright, so go ahead, click the button below this video, set up your Press 1 cache success system now.